Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my henna tea. And my henna tea mix has been strengthening my hair, conditioning it, and I've just made it so much more manageable ever since I've started using it. So first thing I'm going to do is walk you through the ingredients that I'm using, primarily herbs, starting with my henna mix. So henna is just a plant-based protein, and I add it to the tea because it helps to strengthen and condition in the hair. Then I use some brahmi, which helps repair the hair follicle and help promote circulation and reduce hair loss. The next herb that I'm adding is amla, and I'm using amla because it conditions the hair and it helps to balance the scalp and promote growth. And the next herb that I'm using is neem. And neem is also another really amazing herb because it's like a natural conditioner that strengthens the hair root and promotes growth. Then I add in some boiling hot water to the tea. I stir it up with a knife and I just let this mixture sit for around 6 to 8 hours. While the mixture is sitting, the herbs will come to the top and then all the sediments will go to the bottom of the cup. So then I break out my cheesecloth and I tie that to the top of my canister with a rubber band before pouring it into a water bottle using a funnel. I use this way so that way the powder and herbs themselves don't get into the mix. So then I just gently pour the mix into the funnel and I am left with the henna tea mixture. This is to refresh my wash and go, but I just want to do it on my twist out. So yeah, I'm actually showing you guys how I use it to strengthen and just condition my hair before doing a twist out, but it is one of those mixtures that you can use whenever you want. My only suggestion is that you store it in the refrigerator so that it does not go bad because it is a tea, so you have to make sure that you're keeping it cool. And then I spray that on my hair before applying my leave-in. So this is the first thing that I spray on my hair, and I add that to my hair before working it in with my leave-in, and it just helps to strengthen, condition, and my hair has just become so much more manageable and defined and soft since I've regularly started using this mix. So if henna treatments are a little too messy for you or too time consuming, I definitely recommend that you check out my henna tea. And if you guys are curious and want to use this mix yourself, I have all of the herbs that I've used in this video are linked in my description box, so you guys can check there. And if you're liking this video so far, go ahead and just click like, leave a comment, and let me know if this mixture is something that you would consider using yourself. And here are the results of my twist out that I did using the henna tea. You guys will have to check out my next video to see my twist out technique, but you can already see how soft and shiny the henna tea makes my hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will definitely catch you guys in the next one.